Hey, I'm Ryan Terpstra here on the west side of the state of Michigan. We're at West Ottawa's pool where the Panthers are going to host Hamilton. Also, Holland Christian and Covenant Christian do battle in girls basketball. And East Kentwood and Mona Shores, those hockey teams go down to the wire. Let's get to the highlights. Grand Rapids Covenant Christian had a big task, trying to slow down the Maroons of Holland Christian, who came into the game at 12-3 overall. First quarter, HC with the ball and pushing it ahead. Even with their size advantage, the Maroons had no problem bombing away from three, and that's what Kennedy Schoonveld did right here as she cans one from the corner. The freshman had 9 points on 3 triples in the contest. Covenant knew this would be a tough matchup, but they played the Maroons even in the second quarter. Ball goes inside to Monica Engelsma, and the senior turns and scores. The Chargers did trail by 16, though, at the half. Third quarter, Holland Christian did not let up from the outside. Senior point guard Bree Lertzma launches from the corner and finds nothing but the bottom, and she had 16 points in this game. Covenant Christian would not give up. Working to break that Holland Christian pressure, Holly Hunderman finds an open Erica Engelsma for the layup, and good ball movement on that senior-to-senior connection. Holland Christian had some eye-popping numbers in this one. 52% from the floor, 60% from three. That's Lertzma's 4th three-pointer right there, and the Maroons keep on rolling, beating Covenant Christian 63-26 in out-of-conference action.
We got 6 games for the conference title. It starts right now. Nothing would make it sweeter than beating Mona, okay? Beating Mona is one of our goals, beat our rivals. We've beaten Granville, now we got to beat Mona.
East Kentwood and Mona Shores have long been hockey rivals, though Mona has won the last 13 contests in a row, and these two met with control of the Tier 1 OK Conference on the line. First period, Shores pressuring EK in neutral ice. The puck gets poked away, and Connor Edlin finds Dalton LaAllier all alone. He finishes, and the Sailors jump ahead 1-0. Second period, more from Mona, this time on the power play. Colin Raybach controlling behind the net. A great look to Ben Essenberg, who won times at home, and the Sailors would build a 3-0 lead over East Kentwood. But the Falcons were not done yet. Down 3-1, Abel Christians takes the puck away, gets it to Bronson Foote, and the sophomore rips a high shot that finds the back of the net. East Kentwood now down 3-2. 44 seconds later, off the faceoff, Blake Hines fires a shot, and somehow from that angle, it goes in. We are going to overtime. In the extra session, the puck gets knocked free. Foote has it, and he's all alone. Passes to Sherman Mowry, and he scores! East Kentwood beats Mona Shores 4-3 in overtime, their first win in their last 7 seasons against the Sailors. West Ottawa swim team was excited to see Sideline Review at their meet. Always happy to be there, guys. Hamilton in town to face the Panthers. When you face West Ottawa, you get Tabin Afrique, just destroying the field in the 100-yard butterfly. Afrique is one of the fastest junior swimmers in the country. As a team, West Ottawa has plenty more speed. 100-yard freestyle. We see Kyle Moss hit the wall, breaking the 50-second barrier for a new personal best. Let's go to the 200-yard free relay. Awesome finish here between Hamilton's Aaron Smith and WO's Spencer Carl. Carl touches the wall just 0.4 of a second ahead of Smith to win it for the Panthers. In the 100-yard backstroke, Hamilton decided to give themselves a little bit more breathing room. This is Alec Nybor beasting the rest of the competition. A 3-second margin of victory puts one up on the board for the Hawkeyes. But in the 400-yard free relay, there was Afrique again. That's not him chasing down the leader, that's him lapping another squad. Afrique won all 3 events that he competed in.
Great last meet, been working hard. Let's finish the season strong. So continue to make sure you're taking your taper seriously and getting the rest that you need.
And Holland West Ottawa swims away victorious over Hamilton